All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know we worked this problem in class, but just to make sure to do a video for it so that you can, re-watch it. We're making an open box, and the way we're going to make the box is we're going to start with a 10 by 20 centimeter piece of tin. We're going to cut squares out of each corner. We're going to turn it up, and the bottom of the box, the area of the resulting base, is 96 square centimeters. Find the dimensions of the square we cut out. This was 10 centimeters to start with. This was 20. We cut out squares. When I do, the bottom of the box, which is still a rectangle, is 96 square centimeters. Now, to find that 96 algebraically, since this is a rectangle, we need to know its length and its width, and we multiply them together to get 96. Well, the length of the entire piece of tin to start with was 20 centimeters. But notice that I cut away x and I cut away x. So I've cut away x 2 times. So that means the length of the bottom of the box would be 20 minus 2x. And likewise, when I went this way, the length of the bottom of the box would no longer be 10. It would be 10, 10 minus 2x. So we end up getting 20 minus 2x times 10 minus 2x equals 96. The length of the bottom of the box multiplied the width of the bottom of the box gives me the area of the base, or the bottom of the box, which is 96. When I distribute here, some of you say FOIL, but I'm really distributing. 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times negative 2, x is negative 4x. Negative, not 4, negative 4dx. Negative 2x times 10 is negative 20x. And then we pick up a plus 4x squared is equal to 96. When I put this in the correct order, I have 4x squared. This was a 4d. So negative 40, negative 20 is a negative 60x plus 200 equals 96. I'm going to subtract 96 from both sides. 4x squared minus 60x, and that would give me a 104, and that's equal to 0. And let's see, everything here, I believe, is divisible by, let's see, I know this is by 4, this is by 4. Let's check if we can do 104 divided by 4. Let's see, it goes in, yep, 4 goes into 104 26 times. Yeah, perfect. So what we're going to do is divide everything by 4. Make our lives easier, people. We have x squared minus 15x plus 26 equals 0. This factors as x minus 13 and x minus 2. Again, if it didn't factor, you would know to either complete the square, go to the quadratic formula. You decide whichever would be the easiest. Remember, the quadratic formula is always the fail-safe method. Okay, what would make this 0 would be 13. What would make this 0 would be 2. But in this problem, there's no way x can be 13 because x is being cut away, and there's no way you can cut away 13 twice. That's already long, 13 and 13 is 26, and the original piece was only 20. So forget the 13. The only possible answer would be that x is 2. So my answer is the dimensions of the square x would be 2 centimeters. And we're done.